Hey guys, this is Wills, and in this training I will show you how to create high quality animated video explainers to promote your business on social networking sites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok. So the aim of this training, that is the objective, is that by the end of the training you will be able to get high quality video explainers from a site called fiverr.com. So in summary, this short course is divided into 4 steps. Now step number 1 is how you can create a Fiverr account using either your email or Facebook account. Step number 2 is how to review freelancer profiles on fiverr.com. Step number 3 is how to check for reviews on individual freelancers listed on fiverr.com. Then the last step is how to complete your payment so that you can download your completed video explainer. So that is in summary, and I would encourage you to stay focused until the end of the tutorial so that you don't miss out on the important aspects of this training. Now if you like the content of this video, you can subscribe to my channel and like my video. Then I also have my personal link to fiverr.com, and if you make a purchase, I will make a small commission. So without wasting too much time, we will proceed to the first tutorial, which is on how to create Fiverr account. So guys, the first step is for you to access fiverr.com so that you can create or log in with your account. So you just search for Fiverr using your Google search. So this is inside. I've logged in to Fiverr with my account. So once you log in, you then proceed to the search button, whereby you will search for animated video explainer. You see this animated video explainers. So we want to see the results. So you can see under animated video explainers we have so many people. These are all freelancers offering the video explainer service. That is, they will help you create the video explainer that you will use for promoting your business. So as you can see, you can select any of these freelancers based on price, number of reviews, and so on. So in the next video, I'll be looking at how to review the profile of the freelancer before you make your selection. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Hey, so if you want to review the seller of animated video explainer, we first look at the profile. So we have this image. You can have a look at more images. You see, it's dealing with
through about the gig. You look at the process. For example, here he explains that you first send your approved voiceover script or any other media that will be used in the ad. So after you send the information, that is the content in terms of voiceover or script, then the seller will review your materials and he will give you an idea of how the ad will look like and how it will meet your needs. Then the last step is that once you have the voiceover recording, the seller will work on the video explainer as you wait. So which other information is important? Right, the provider comes from Pakistan, and you can just have a look at the packages that is providing. So for the $35 package, you can see here, you get a 30-second video. Number 2, it will have a full HD. It will also have background music. It will also have a logo. Then the $65 package has more features. The difference is that you will get unlimited revisions. Now for the premium package, he is only charging $100 and you will also get unlimited revisions, but the video lasts for 90 seconds. So that is basically how you need to check the profile of whoever is providing the animated video explainer. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to check for reviews from your provider. So when you choose after selecting your preferred freelancer, you go to this tab on reviews. You can see this freelancer has 13 reviews. See this? So you are actually able to come here and read what other buyers have talked about the freelancer. For instance, we have this one. He says Manur Khalid always does an exceptional job with the training videos. Wow, this is so good. The next one, she was terrific. I highly recommended her for any project. Then this one just say great service. And you can see most of these buyers are from the United States. So you are assured that this freelancer has produced video explainers for customers who are in the United States. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So after checking the profile, you are satisfied with the freelancer. You've checked the reviews. You've seen that the freelancer is able to produce video explainers, and you've chosen the package that is either basic, standard, or premium. Just choose whichever method that is allowed on Fiverr. So that's all you need to do. Once you confirm the order using the requirements, you will wait for the delivery time.